Leaving the megacity and making it to the NLEX freeway by late afternoon or early evening on Christmas Eve is the best time for the long drive traveler headed for the central Luzon provinces or even further with the least chances of gridlock along the way. But this is not a surefire formula as ETAs can change instantly with one fender bender or tollway scanning malfunction, which our Ryan Lisigas found out and shares in this report.
The right timing and day to avoid being stuck in slow, crawling traffic. This is said to be the strategy of Cristal and their sibling who are heading home to Nueva Ecija to celebrate Christmas with their family. Just past 4 p.m. earlier, they were already at the Balintawak Toll Plaza to have their RFID installed. But even with only a few hours left before Christmas, they said they are not worried about spending Christmas on the road. This is because traffic flow along the North Luzon Expressway or NLEX is already light. She also shared that this is a strategy they follow every year. They usually travel home to their province in the afternoon or evening of December 24.
Nakakapagod. Sobrang pagod niya. Tsaka yung time kasi na nakokonsume mo doon, you rather leave ng hindi traffic para yung time na nasa traffic ka, nakapagpahinga ka na lang. So kaya late kami umalis, okay lang. Kasi yung traffic, ganon din eh.
Meanwhile, Benedicto said they were hoping to arrive at their home in Pangasinan before the afternoon, together with his child who came from Malaysia. They said they were afraid of spending Christmas on the road. He thought that many motorists might rush to leave Metro Manila to return to their respective provinces to celebrate Christmas there. However, at almost 4 in the afternoon, they were still at the Balintawak Toll Plaza. They said their RFID had a problem, which caused a delay of several hours in their trip.
Malamang traffic lang kasi tingnan mo to, sa dami nito papuntang Luzon lahat yan eh. Hindi namin alam kung anong mangyari, pero ayos lang.
For motorists who will be traveling later tonight, there is a good news as Metro Pacific Tollways Corporation is offering toll-free use of their expressway for Christmas and New Year. The free toll will be implemented by the MPTC on the North Luzon Expressway, SCTEX, and the NLEX connector. Also included are the Calax and Cavitex for Class 1, 2, and 3 vehicles. This may be availed of starting 10 p.m. on December 24 until 6 p.m. on December 25. All road works on NLEX are temporarily suspended due to the expected surge of motorists heading home to their respective provinces. Ryan Lisigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.